If you use a work laptop and a personal computer on the same desk, you've probably run into the same problem I did. Every time you switch devices, you also need to switch your monitor, keyboard, mouse, and sometimes even your speakers. It's annoying, but there is a much easier way. With the setup I'm about to show you, one button press is all it takes. Your monitor, keyboard, mouse, and other accessories instantly move from one device to the other. In this video, I'll show you two ways to make it work. The first option is a dedicated KVM switch. KVM stands for Keyboard, Video and Mouse, and that's exactly what it controls. You connect your monitor, keyboard, mouse and any other peripherals, and then both computers to the KVM. When you press the switch, everything moves to the other device. Monitor, keyboard, mouse, speakers, external drives, webcam, everything you want. This is the most flexible option because it works with almost any monitor and usually gives you additional ports for accessories. There is one important thing to watch out for though. Not all KVM switches support the same resolution and refresh rate. For example, if you're using a 4K 240Hz gaming monitor and want to keep the full refresh rate on both devices, make sure the KVM supports it. Many cheaper models don't. I'll leave a few recommendations in the description to make choosing easier. In order to make it work on one side of the switch, you connect your output devices, a monitor and a upstream USB cable. They're paired together, so make sure to connect the right pair to a device. The last thing you connect is a display. On the other side, you connect the mouse, keyboard and any other device you want to share between two computers. Once everything is set up, all you do is use the dedicated buttons or switch to change which device you're using. The second option is even simpler. Many modern monitors already include a built-in KVM switch. In that case, you don't need any additional hardware. You simply connect both devices directly to the monitor. At the back of your monitor, first connect your mouse and keyboard, then, using the included USB upstream cable, connect the monitor to one of your devices. Connect the HDMI or DisplayPort cable too. KVM monitors usually come with a USB-C port that allows you to transmit video, audio, power and signals from your connected keyboard and mouse. For one device, usually a laptop or a MacBook, I highly recommend using a USB-C cable. Once everything is connected, you can switch devices directly from the monitor menu and all connected peripherals move automatically. Again, make sure you're using a cable that supports the bandwidth you need. I'll leave some recommendations below. If you already own a monitor and want maximum flexibility, a dedicated KVM switch is usually the better choice. If you're buying a new monitor or already have one with a built-in KVM, that's often the cleanest and simplest solution. Personally, I prefer the built-in KVM approach because it reduces cables and eliminates another device from the desk. Hopefully this saves you from constantly unplugging cables every time you switch a device. If you're into practical desk setup tips, productivity tech and everyday solutions like this, consider subscribing. And if you're currently using a MacBook and PC on the same desk, let me know which setup you're running in the comments.